Ahoy, land lovers. We've been busy sailing the world on our wonderful ship named the Imagination.
That's right, and we've been having adventures and collecting treasures everywhere we've been.
And one of those treasures is our favorite pirate shanty.
We'd like to sing it for you right now.
Yo-ho, my friends, we have a tale of treasure, adventure, sea and sail. Our story's bigger than a whale. If we can sleep, we'll have to bail. Wait a minute, wait just a minute. Caleb and I don't recall any adventures, tales, or treasure. Your memory must be fading, mate.
Imagination has been sad as sea for almost a year now. We used to socialize.
We had adventures everywhere. Would you be so kind as to refresh my memory?
First we went to Africa. Remember all the animals we saw?
Like the giraffe and the lion. Yes, the adventures. That does sound vaguely familiar. May we get on with our shanty now? Of course, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a pirate daddy, I'll sail me ships upon the seas with an R, and I'm 18. That's the peg meaning. We like to fish, we like to fight, we like to stay up half the night. When ye say starboard, ye go right, ye monkey said ye look upright. Wait a minute, wait just a minute. Where did we go after Africa? I remember something about holidays and fiestas.
We were visiting winter holidays
All over the world. Like Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and Christmas and Mexico. Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Merry Christmas everyone, Feliz Navidad. Here's our piñata, what a sight to see. vaguely familiar. May we get on with our shanty now? Of course, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a pirate that I be. I sail me ship upon the seas with an R and an I-A-T. That's a head below me. Got no hand, but that's his hook. It gets in the way when we try to cook our treasures in that chest we took. They'll write about us in a book. Wait a minute, wait just a minute. Were we in Mexico when we captured our scarlet macaw? And our capuchin monkey? No, mate, that was the Amazon rainforest in South America. How can you forget those crazy leafcutter ants? Yes, the leafcutter ants. Shiver me timbers. Is the Amazon rainforest where we met that Yankee Doodle dandy? No. That was North America. Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw a man in wood and thick and tasty pudding. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and let the girls be handy. There we saw 1,000 men, a six Esquire David. What they wasted every day, I wish it could be saved. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and let the girls be handy. There was Captain Washington upon a slapping stallion, giving orders to his men. I guess there was a million. Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step and let the girls be handy. Yes, America, our favorite country. May we get on with our shanty now? Not before you answer my last question. We recall the adventures. We even recall the tales. But what about the treasure? Look in the treasure chest! Is it filled with sugar and spices? Better! Pieces of eight? Much better! Gold and silver? Even better than that! Aye, and a fine treasure it is. Aye, a fine treasure. Maybe we can finish our shanty now? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a pirate that I be. I sail me ship upon the sea with an R and an I-A-T.
Miscellaneous published or receive our pirate shanty. Sorry for all the interruptions.
We love to say this so long ago, but we've got a treasure to divvy up.
Ha ha ha.